Hey folks, here's a update on the Roselle. Boy, I tell you, in the last time that I just gave you an update of the Rosella, these things have just boomed in terms of growth. You know, the pods start small, but then they get really big, and the bees love them too here. But yeah, they're so heavy with the pods that I'll have more seeds and more pods and everything that I know what to do with. It's just amazing plant that, you know, when October comes, it just sprouts into action. Next year I'm gonna have to remember to put a string around them so that they don't all tip over. I mean, look at the thickness of that branch and how heavy it is. It can't stand on its own weight. So we have to come out here and pick more pods so that they can lighten the load and stand back up. But it's going to get cold here pretty soon. Another couple of weeks and these will be done. But anyways, such a lovely plant, as you've seen in my other videos. So yeah, try growing them and have a lot of fun with that. All right, talk to you later.